Okay, this is how you use SWANK on your computer. I'm going to open up Safari here, and I'm going to go to the USD 383 website. And then you need to click on Educators at the top. And then scroll down until you get to K-12 Educator Resources. Click on this USD 383 SWANK Streaming Media Services. And when you get here, it will probably give you a blue box that says School Login. Just click it and it should automatically take you to this screen. You're going to either search here for a movie you want, or you can see all of them to see what to choose from, whatever you want to do. Once you pick the movie, some movies will have this watch already. Some of them will have a button that says request. If it says request, you need to click on that and fill out the little form to request it. But if it's already been requested and approved, you can just click watch. And then the most important part is when you start the movie, you need to AirPlay it from right here. So make sure you're not AirPlaying from your computer before you begin. You need to AirPlay it from right here. You click on this little AirPlay button, and then you can pick which projector you want to. I'm at home, so none of them are showing up, but you can pick the projector that you want to project to, and then it should project to your screen. If you need any other help, let me know. Otherwise, that is as easy as it is. Thanks.